Welcome to the Seneca Software tutorial series. In this video, we will showcase the capabilities of the calculation table feature within a Seneca dataset. Every node has a calculation table. It is used to store data, which can be financial data or quantity data. The table has multiple dimensions, a time slider representing the period we want to analyze. Streams and rows, we can define several plan variations, fact data, or even calculated variations, e.g. plan fact. Charts, on the top of the table, there is a graphical view to get a quick impression of our company without checking the exact values. Drill through or down. For this function, first you have to click the dynamic or static view in the top right corner. And after that, you can open up the structure by clicking on plus or minus. Now let's go through a simple example of how to use the table feature in the Seneca system for data analysis. First step. Navigate to the Revenue node. Second step, set the time slider to 01 pi 2024-5/2024. We can adjust it with the calendar or with the ends of the time slider. Third step, in the rows of the table, we can see the fact as well as the plan values. There are as many columns as we adjusted the time slider and the resolution. Fourth step, if we select another node, e.g. material cost in our structure, we will see those values in the table. To wrap up, we have demonstrated the key features of the calculation table within the Seneca system, highlighting how it can be used to analyze financial and quantity data effectively. By navigating through nodes, adjusting the time slider, and comparing fact and plan values, you can gain valuable insights into your company's performance. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope it has provided you with a clear understanding of how to utilize the table feature for your data analysis needs. Stay tuned for more tutorials in our series, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for updates on the latest videos. Goodbye.